Good morning, students. Now we are going to see the inert and labile complexes. The term stability of a complex indicates whether a complex formed under suitable experimental condition or not and can be remain same when stored for the appreciable time. But the complex may be quite stable in one reagent and get decomposed immediately in other reagent. Thus, the term stability may refer to the action of heat and light and not the experimental conditions. Generally, there are two types of stability of the complexes. First one is the thermodynamic stability and second one is the kinetic stability. In thermodynamic sense, complexes are considered with stability and instability. That is, depend upon strength of metal ligand bond in the complex. Thermodynamic stability is related to the bond energy, stability constant of the metal ligand bond. Stronger the metal ligand bond, stable more of the complex. In kinetic sense, complexes are described in terms of inertness and lability. Generally, complexes which exchange its ligands rapidly with the other ligands are known as labile complexes, while the complexes which exchange its ligands slowly are called inert complexes or non-labile complexes. According to the Tobey, the complexes which reacts completely within 1 minute at 25 degrees centigrade are considered as labile, and the complexes take larger time are considered as inert or non-labile complexes. Thermodynamic stability of the complex depends upon enthalpy change of the reactants and product, while kinetic stability depends upon activation energy. The complex NiCN4 2- is thermodynamically stable, but it is kinetically labile, and CONH3 6 3 is thermodynamically stable but kinetically inert complex. Equilibrium constant for formation of complexes. Most of the complex formation reactions occurs in aqueous medium, and sometimes water acts as ligand and form aqua complex. When nickel sulfate dissolves in water, it forms aqua complex as NiSO4 plus 6H2O. It gives NiH2O6SO4. After addition of ammonia solution to the aqua complex, water molecules are replaced by ammonia molecule as NiH2O6 plus 6NH3. It gives 6H2O plus NiNH3 6 2 plus. The equilibrium constant K for this reaction can be written as K is equal to concentration of NiNH3 6 2 plus into concentration of H2O6 upon concentration of NiH2O6 2 plus into concentration of NH3 raised to 6 is equal to 10 raised to 18. K is equal to NiNH3 6 square bracket complete 2 plus upon NiH2O6 2 plus into NH3 6 2 plus. K is known as formation constant or stability constant. Higher is the K, stable is the complex, and vice versa. Types of formation constant. Formation constant or the equilibrium constant are of two types. First one is the stepwise formation constant K, and second overall formation constant beta. First, stepwise formation constant K. The formation of AgNH3 twice 1 plus by stepwise reaction is represented with the equilibrium constant for each step is represented as Ag plus NH3, it gives the AgNH3 plus. Here K1 is equal to concentration of AgNH3 plus upon concentration of Ag into concentration of NH3. In second step, there is addition of second ligand. So AgNH3 plus NH3, it gives AgNH3 twice 1 plus. K2 is equal to AgNH3 twice 1 plus upon concentration of AgNH3 into concentration of ammonia. The equilibrium constant K1 and K2 are called as stepwise stability constant. Hx, it gives the H plus X minus. K is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of X minus upon Hx. Overall formation constant for the above reaction, overall formation constant beta can be given as beta is equal to concentration of AgNH3 twice 1 plus upon concentration of Ag into concentration of NH3 square. Factors affecting the stability of the compound. After formation constant, we are going to see the stability of the complexes, how it will be affect, and there are the factors which are affect. The stability of the coordination compounds are nature of the central metal ion, nature of the ligand, and chelation. First, nature of the central metal atom or ion. Metal ion can be accept electron pair from the ligand, that is the capacity of metal ion to accept electron pair and to attract the electronegatively charged ligand depends upon first charge density, second electronegativity of the metal atom. Greater is the charge on the metal, smaller is the size and greater is the stability of the complex. That is, charge density of the metal ion increase the stability of the metal ion. Metal ion with higher electronegativity shows the greater attraction for the ligands and complex has greater stability. For example, Fe3 plus has higher charge density and is more electronegative than the complexes of Fe2 plus. Nature of the ligand. The ligands are electron donor. Capacity of ligand to donate electron pair depends upon basic character and second size and charge on the ligand. More basic ligands have good ability to donate electron pairs and hence complex becomes more stable. For example, CO and Cn minus forms more stable complexes. Ligand with smaller size and greater charge have greater attraction towards the metal ion and can form stable complexes. For example, complexes with F minus ligand are more stable than Cl minus ligands. Third one is chelation. Polydentate ligands, that is chelating agents, can form more stable complexes than monodentate ligands. The chelate complexes containing 5 and 6 membered rings are more stable. For example, NiEn thrice 2 plus is more stable than NiNH3 6 2 plus ion. Thank you.